Here I've got BLU Advance 5.2 and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to scroll down and open System and now go to Date and Time. And here by tapping on Automatic Date and Time you can pick either network provided time or GPS provided time, but also you can switch off automatic setup and now you can set up date and time manually by yourself. So from now on, it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Then you can also switch off automatic time zone just by tapping on this switcher, and now you can select one from the following list. As you can see, the list is pretty wide, so everyone will find something suitable. Let me choose, for example, Dubai. And finally, you can change the format of your clock by tapping on this switcher, so you can pick either 24-hour format clock or 12-hour format clock. And finally, you can also pick the date format. Click here and then pick the one that you like the most, and I will choose this one. So that would be all. This is how you can set up date and time in your device, how you can change it, and then if you'd like to go back to automatic settings, just tap on this switcher and then here go back to use network provided time. And that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily change date and time in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.